when Jesus wants to give you something big, something greater, he must prepare you for something big. You have to know that Jesus has never done a mistake, and he will never do mistakes. So he must prepare you first for something big. There are some signs, kwa dalili ambazo unaweza kuzipata pale ambapo Mungu anataka kukupa kitu kikubwa kwenye maisha yako. So he must increase, the first thing, he must increase spiritual welfare. Anakuandaa kiroho. You can find out that you are passing different difficulties, hardship of life. Utaona kuna changamoto mbalimbali unazipitia, lakini Mungu anakuandaa